How to close Shopify store. So the first step is to simply go to your settings, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to plan, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply cancel your plan. Now after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to general here, and then you're gonna have to scroll down, and then you should have an option to basically close your store. So let's see. So here we have users and permissions, and then so let's search for close. And basically so usually what you used to have to do basically is simply cancel your plan, and when you do that, you're gonna have the option to basically cancel and close your store. So you're gonna have to do that, and basically that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.